Welcome viewers. In this video we will see the abbreviations available in the electrical wiring. Subscribe this channel for more electrical videos. The soft copy of this course material available in the drive link. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the abbreviation. The voltage is abbreviated by V. The ampere current is given as A. The low tension line means LT. Low tension line means 230 volt supply. The high tension line 11 kV, 110 kV, 33 kV, that is given by HT. So LT, HT. LT refers the low tension line, HT refers the high tension line. Then oil circuit breaker is given as OBC. Oil circuit breaker is given by OBC. Kilovolt means kV. Then MS, nothing but a main switch. SMS mean sub main switch. There is one main switch will be there over which so many sub main switches are available. So MS refers the main switch for the entire supply. SMS refers sub main switch for a particular section. Then DB. DB is nothing but distribution box. Distribution box for an entire wiring. It is distributed through this box, that is given by DB. CB means control board. By controlling the various distribution, the box is available as a control board. Then SB means switchboard. The controlling the various apparatus, we have switchboard. Then DOL. DOL means direct on line. Is used in the motors. This motor can be directly connected. DOL switch. The motor is connected directly. At that time we are using this term DOL. Then ICDP. There is nothing but iron clad double pole. So one of the main switch. One of the main switch. It is made up of iron clad double pole. That's why it is called a ICDP. Then AAC, all aluminum conductor. We have aluminum conductor and copper conductor. If all are aluminum conductor, then it is given as AAC. Then ICTP, iron clad triple pole. Double pole having 2 wires. Triple pole means 3 wires. May be used for 3 phase. This may be used for single phase. Then DC, we know that DC means direct current. Then AC, AC means alternating current. We have the two major current, AC, DC. ACB means air circuit breaker. We already discussed oil circuit breaker. This is a air circuit breaker. CT refers current transformer. EHV means extra high voltage. Already high voltage available. Extra high voltage means more amount of voltage. Then EMF. EMF refers electromotive force. In electrical we are having EMF. Similarly for magnetic circuit we have MMF. This is EMF. Then FET means field effect transistor. HPMVL refers the high pressure helium vapor lamp. High pressure. Similarly low pressure also available. LP. This is HP. HPMVL vapor lamp. IC means integrated circuit. Then JFET. JFET refers junction field effect transistor. Then LVHV, low voltage, high voltage. It's mainly used in the transformer, low voltage side, high voltage side, primary winding and secondary winding. So we already discussed HT and LT, low tension and high tension supply. Then KVA, KVA refer kilovolt ampere. Kilovolt ampere is the apparent power. Then kilovolt, kV. Voltage is the normal one, kilovolt. In order to have the 10 to the power 3 is defined as kV. V into A, voltage and ampere. This is kilo voltage ampere, this is normal voltage and ampere. Then kilowatt hour, watt hour used in a energy meter, kilo kVH. Then lightning arrestor is LA, lightning arrestor LA. LDR refers light dependent resistor. Light dependent resistor means depends upon the lighting, the resistance value will vary. That's called LDR. LPMVL, low pressure helium vapor lamp. We already discussed the high pressure HPMVL. This one low pressure MVL, helium vapor lamp. Then LED is a light emitting diode, one special type of diode, light emitting diode. So then nowadays we are using the LEDs. For every lamp everywhere we are using LED. Then PT, potential transformer. We already discussed the CT, current transformer. So this one is the potential transformer. Then we will go to the some more. If it is connected in series, is given as SE. S into SE, capital S, small e. If it is connected in shunt, is given as SH. Then SWG means standard wire gauge. Standard wire gauge is given as SWG. So while selecting the wire, what is the gauge? That is given by SWG. Depends upon the gauge, the current rating, voltage rating will be differ. So while going with any design, we need to see what is the wire gauge. Then SCR, silicon control rectifier, thyristor. Another name is thyristor. So it is given as SCR. UJT, one type of transistor, unijunction transistor. Then CRO, cathode ray oscilloscope. Then these three are very important parameter: resistor, inductor and capacitor. R given by resistor given by R, inductor given by L, capacitor given by C. So in this video we discuss about the abbreviation used in the electrical wiring. Subscribe this channel for more videos. This material available in the drive. The drive link is given in the description box. Thank you.